Be brave enough to start and strong enough to finish. Be brave enough to start and strong enough to finish. सुरु गर्न पर्याप्त साहसी बनाऊ र पूरा गर्न पर्याप्त बलियो. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. आफ्नै बनाऊ, अरु सबै पहिले नै अरु बनेका छन्. Be humble in victory and calm in struggle. Be humble in victory and calm in struggle. जित्दा विनम्र र सङ्घर्षमा शान्त रहनुहोस्. Be the reason someone smiles today. Be the reason someone smiles today. अझ कसैको मुस्कानको कारण बनाऊ. Be grateful for what you have and you will have more. Be grateful for what you have and you have more. जुन छ त्यसका लागि आभारी बनाऊ, अझ धेरै पाउनु हुनेछ. Be a voice, not an echo. Be a voice, not an echo. प्रतिध्वनि होइन, आवाज बनाऊ. Be patient. Everything comes at the right time. Be patient. Everything comes at the right time. धैर्यवान बनाऊ, सबै कुरा आफ्नो समयमा आउँछ. Be strong but not rude. Be strong but not rude. बलियो बनाऊ तर असभ्य होइन. Be wise with your words. They build or break hearts. Be wise with your words. They build or break hearts. आफ्नो शब्दमा बुद्धिमान बनाऊ, ती मन बनाउँछन् वा तोड्छन्.